Okay, first debt limit method, continuous debt limit method. So the idea is you should be able to get completely out of debt other than your mortgage every 4 years. So if you can't, then you're relying too much on long-term debt. So the debt payments to disposable income method. So you divide your non-mortgage debt payments by your disposable, your take-home pay. And so you're over indebted if the ratio is higher than is 15% or higher. Focus on payments rather than the actual level of debt. Next, we have debt payment to income. So you divide your monthly debt payments, including your mortgage, by your gross monthly income. Gross monthly income is your pre-tax. So you include any debts, mortgage, loans, alimony, any other required monthly payment. Anything over 36% is considered over indebted. Preference is that it would be less than that. Control your student loan debt. Always know your outstanding balance, required monthly payment. Choose the most advantageous repayment plan allowed. Make payments on time every time. Anytime you make a late payment, whether it be on a student loan or your phone bill, if you pay your electric bill late, eventually that's going to get reported to the credit bureaus. So be careful with those types of things. Pay off the most expensive loan first. That's just common sense. If you can pay off your high interest loans, a lot of times the rates that the government offers aren't that great. You might be able to get a lower rate with another lender, maybe the Ally or I can't remember the other one, but you can they offer student consolidation loans. You can do consolidation loans with the government and other entities, but it's a good idea to shop around. Make more than minimum payments, so if you can, so pay down the balance, because a lot of the repayment plans take 20 years or more. So next we have the distinguish among concept check 6.2, distinguish among continuous debt payments, disposable income, debt income methods for setting your debt limit. Continuous, pay off your non-mortgage debts at least every 4 years. Debt payments to disposable income, divide your non-mortgage debt payments by your disposable income. Goal is less than 15%. Debt to income, divide your debt payments, including your mortgage, by your gross monthly income. A goal of 36% or less is desirable. So, borrowers' feelings when they have a debt limit of debt 11 to 14% of disposable income compared to 15 to 18%. So 11 to 14 borrowers moderately stressed, about the repayment of those debt obligations. 15 to 18, the stress level has increased, and you're concerned that no emergency arises. And if there's anything we know, there's something is always going to break. I was came in outside yesterday, and my wife was mopping the floor. The dishwasher broke and dumped water all over the floor. So You know, it's just like especially if you own a home, own a vehicle, so forth. It just seems to be you can never count on having a month go by without some sort of unexpected expense. And if you're tied up with other debts, you don't have any margin for error. We'll finish up concept check 6.2 in the next lecture.